Right folks, quick update. I'm building a shed at the moment, a garden office room, and a little while ago I extended a kitchen pantry. I'm going to put them videos together in a week or two when they're sort of finished, or closer to being finished. But today it's my birthday, 57, WTF, 57. And earlier it pissed it down, so I'm going to put together the rest of the clips from that house that I was doing in 2022. I did the linings, the door linings upstairs, hung the doors. I didn't film hanging the doors, but I did make all the casings and fix them. And I did the skirting and architrave as well. So I'll see what I can make of the rest of the videos that I've got, all the clips that I've got, and put them together, get them uploaded, and then hopefully I'll be closer to a point where I can put together the clips that I've made of this shed and the pantry. And I just want to thank everybody for the kind comments. I'm feeling a lot better, not 100%. I'm only doing sort of like a long half day, if that makes sense. I get tired, but like I say, I'm 57 today, so I don't exactly bounce back quite like I used to do. But yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm just a bit unfit now. I'm trying to get my fitness back and, steady as it goes, taking each day as it comes. But yeah, feeling a lot better than I was. So yeah, thank you. Thanks again for the kind comments. I'll get those old videos edited and uploaded, and I'll get the new stuff up as soon as I can. Thanks.